India, a land where ancient civilizations meet the pulse of modern innovation. A country woven with the threads of spirituality, tradition, and resilience, now rising powerfully as one of Asia's great dragons. For thousands of years, India has been home to timeless religions and philosophies that shaped humanity's moral and spiritual compass. Yet today, beyond the sacred chants and ancient monuments, a new rhythm echoes, the heartbeat of a nation transforming into a global powerhouse. From agriculture to industry, and now to high-tech innovation, India stands at the frontier of a new era of growth. The 6 strengths of a rising giant. First, a vast working-age population, among the largest on Earth, offering energy, ambition, and creativity. Second, a high level of technical education, fueled by the Indian Institutes of Technology and a culture that values knowledge. Third, global dominance in IT and software, where Indian programmers and engineers power the world's digital transformation. Fourth, fluency in English, connecting India seamlessly with Western markets and multinational corporations. Fifth, a thriving startup ecosystem, backed by innovation policies and digital initiatives like Make in India. And sixth, democratic stability, ensuring a transparent, reliable environment for investors and industries to grow. India is a nation where centuries-old traditions blend seamlessly with modern innovation. Its ancient civilizations have shaped enduring philosophies and cultural practices, providing a rich foundation for progress. In recent years, India has leveraged its dynamic population and technological advancements to drive impressive economic growth. This unique interplay between heritage and ambition is redefining India's global identity, setting the stage for its emergence as a leading force in Asia. Fueling India's rise are several distinct strengths. The country's vast working-age population offers a significant demographic advantage, supporting both economic expansion and innovation. India's renowned expertise in science and engineering, coupled with its leadership in information technology, has established it as a global center for digital solutions. Proficiency in English enables seamless collaboration with international partners, while a vibrant entrepreneurial ecosystem fosters the creation of new businesses. All of these strengths are anchored by political stability, which provides a reliable environment for sustained growth and investment. In the current climate of global uncertainty, multinational corporations are seeking alternatives to China for their operations. India is increasingly viewed as an attractive destination for international investment, thanks to recent economic reforms that have simplified regulatory processes. Enhanced infrastructure, including modern highways, ports, and logistics networks, has improved connectivity and efficiency nationwide. Combined with a large, digitally skilled youth population, India is well-positioned to become the next global manufacturing hub, offering stability and growth opportunities to companies navigating a changing world. The question remains, can India surpass China to become Asia's #1 economy? The answer lies not only in policy or investment, but in the spirit of India's youth. Looking ahead, India's future will be shaped by the vision and determination of its new generation of thinkers and entrepreneurs. Surpassing China as Asia's leading economy will require not only technological progress, but also the integration of ancient wisdom with modern innovation. By nurturing creative talent and prioritizing sustainable development, India can transform its economic landscape. As the nation balances tradition and progress, it stands poised to chart a promising path toward a brighter future. They are the architects of tomorrow, the thinkers, dreamers, and innovators who will define India's destiny. To seize this opportunity, young Indians must master the frontiers of artificial intelligence, green energy, semiconductor design, and biotechnology, leading the world into a sustainable future. India stands at a crossroads between its sacred past and its boundless future. If wisdom meets innovation, if unity meets vision, the 21st century will not just be Asia's century, it will be India's century.